Okay, so this is St. Dominic Street. That's St. Dominic's Church down that way. But it's a really photogenic street, and there's a lot of pedestrians on this pedestrian-friendly street as well. So we're just going to highlight kind of these other streets that can go up as well. So this is Palha Street. This goes all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins. You can see how kind of cool looking that is as well. And we also have this one goes up to the Portuguese embassy and Portuguese consulate. Goes all the way up that way. And then this one goes to Say Cathedral. And my last video was up that way. And what we're gonna do, let's head on down this way towards St. Dominic's Church on St. Dominic's Street. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, here we are in St. Dominic Street. Lots of people everywhere. We're going to be heading down that way in a moment. Let's just kind of briefly capture the beauty of this whole area. So yeah, pretty cool area, to be honest. Really nice. And that black and white bullseye is kind of the centerpiece of it. We're gonna head on down this way in one moment. I am. That's the girlfriend of an Australian guy that lives here. So she said, "Are you vlogging?" And I said, "Yes." So some people are familiar with me and they know that I have a YouTube channel. Of course. Yeah, really photogenic city. Actually, St. Dominic Street is going to be actually it's going to turn into St. Dominic Square, I believe, and then Ensenada Square would be next. So I guess we'll try to take in some of the sights before we... But yeah, this is a pretty cool street though. I don't know the order I'm going to put up my videos, but I was also in Italy too. And it feels nice to be back in Macau. Just the black and white tiles and such. So that's our Target street right there. Where they sell Domingos. And we're just gonna go in a little bit like this. And then that church is gonna be a highlight in a minute. Right over there. So we're gonna come at it from a few different angles. So yeah, this area is really photogenic, so there we go. St. Dominic's Church. And we also have Ensenada Square, which is very busy as well right now. And we just kind of come around. We'll try to get some different angles of the church, so we're just going to come around in a different way. There we go. So let me try to get this from another angle here. So you can kind of see it from different angles. Yeah, this is St. Dominic's Church. There we go. So I think we're gonna come back down. And we kind of ended on our short street right here. So we're kind of at the Largo, the São Domingos. We're just kind of getting some different angles. The street is rather short, so to get some kind of interesting content. So, okay. And there's São Domingos. $15.87. Okay. So I guess we're gonna end it. Yeah, Macau is a really cool city actually. So, okay. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna end this one in a second, and that's São Domingos Church right there. And then I guess we'll just take the camera and go into Senado Square as well, since hey! We're just gonna come out to Senado Square, and then we're gonna end it. It's gonna be a good ending spot. Oh, a little more activity there than usual. Okay. Macau. So that's Senado Square right there. We're gonna do a little turnaround in a second. We'll just get a little bit closer. This will look really nice as the sun goes down a little bit later. Okay. So that'll be the end of our video right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.